Hey folks, it's Chuck. I want to show you something new. These are our VNA cables. These are really cost effective, much less than the other guys. Hey, if you're a testing engineer and you want to buy cables from Gore, the real expensive guys, hey man, go for it. If you have really demanding challenges, that's fine with us. But honestly, these are really cost effective. They're made with our K-Flex 120 low loss cable, which has spectacular performance, phase tracking versus temperature, and really they're really great on the bench. We make our own connectors in a 2.92 straight plug, straight jack, and an NMD jack. These things are just fantastic, and I mean just a fraction of the other guys, and they're made right here in the US, so they're available real fast, even ready 48. You can get them with armor, but hey, you don't need armor, don't get armor. Why spend extra? But I got something else really cool I want to show you. You know, we hear an awful lot about phase stability versus flexure. Well, we do the same exact thing in a semi-rigid cable. Look at that. We put that inside the armoring. It's bend limited, okay, so you won't have any problem, and it holds its shape. This is the way we test our cables. Our test setup is static. We don't have any phase stability versus flexure problems. Don't move the cables. Phase doesn't change. It's a low-tech solution to a high-tech problem. Works great for us. Maybe it'll work great for you. It's, as I said, it's real cost-effective, and if we can help you out with this, you know, if you need cables fast, you need Koaxis. Take care.